Hey everybody, look what we have here. A 2021 Kawasaki KRX 1000 customized, tricked out. We're gonna take it up to the International Offroad and UTV Expo. Today's Friday, it's gonna be up there tomorrow. It's gonna be at the MB2 Industries booth up at Westworld starting tomorrow. And then we'll have this bad boy back here at Kelly's Kawasaki on 8th Avenue and Country Club here in Mesa after that. So what does this bad boy have? We've got a roof here, and MB2 Industries does seats, so take a look at this. Man, that's the first time I saw these seats. They look great. Check those out. Nice. Nice. And what else does this have? Well, this has the also has a street legal kit. So we've got include the half windshield here. All right. We've got a lighted rear view mirror right there. Okay, and what else do we have here? We have the premium roof, obviously, that I just talked about, which is really nice. That's slick, huh? Okay, we've got a tailgate. The stock doesn't come with the tailgate, so really nice. And we've got a dash pad that is in here. Let's just take a look here. Dash pad right there. Nice little customized element there. And then you got the rear and front bumpers. You got the front bumper added on. There's a winch there as well. And we got the rear bumper here. So nice, huh? These things are a beaut. These are performance models. They're ready to roll. So this is going to be up at the International Offroad and UTV Expo up in Westworld. Up in Scottsdale starting tomorrow. So go check it out, the MB2 Industries booth, and then it'll be back down here at Kelly's Kawasaki. So check it out, people.